Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation. Have you ever felt like your heat transfer vinyl designs don't pop out enough on your garments? Well, look no further than HPN's CraftPro Puff Heat Transfer Vinyl. It's sure to add a fun level of depth to your fabric apparel alongside other items. So stick around as we customize this. Now, if you enjoy our tutorial videos, live episodes, and all that we do here at Heat Press Nation, be sure to like this video and any others from us. To keep up to date, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell to catch new stuff from us as soon as it's up. All right, well, let's get started. Perhaps you're not looking to make a pop-out design with flocked or thick heat transfer vinyl, but you're looking for something that's more rounded and smooth looking once applied. The best choice for this definitely goes to the CraftPro Puff HTV, which HPN now offers in a variety of eye-catching colors. But it's not just the colors that are eye-catching. Once the seemingly flat vinyl is applied onto a fabric item like shirts and tote bags, the inner portion of the material puffs up, providing a fun and unique look to any cut design. As long as you've got a compatible cutting machine and heat press, including popular crafting tools like the Silhouette Cameo and HPN CraftPro, applying this super cool Puff HTV onto your garments is just as easy as with standard HTV. First, find or create the design you'd like to cut with your cutting software. Now keep in mind that CraftPro Puff vinyl is not layerable. If you'd like to prepare a layered design with this material, you'll need to take advantage of the knockout method to do so, pressing your puff layer last. For this tutorial, we're going to apply a single layer design to show off just how well this product stands out on its own. Once you're ready, draw a weed box around your graphic. Then load the puff vinyl onto your cutter. Unlike most other HTV products, CraftPro Puff vinyl is cut with the glossy side facing up. This side may also be white depending on the specific color of puff vinyl that you're using. Once loaded, you can then send your design to be cut. For Silhouette Cameo cutters, go to the Send tab on Silhouette Studio and you'll want to change the material preset to Heat Transfer Smooth. You can leave the settings as is with the blade depth at 2, force at 4, and speed at 8. Before proceeding, we recommend performing a test cut to check if these settings will suffice. If you're able to peel the test cut smoothly, then you're set to cut your design. But if you're having trouble, you may need to continue adjusting your settings until you find what works best with your setup. Assuming you're all set, go ahead and click Send, then Send Mirrored to start cutting. With your design now cut, trim and unload the vinyl, then weed it out. Now it's ready to be applied onto a fabric item. We'll be demonstrating this vinyl on a t-shirt. Turn on your heat press and set it to 10 seconds at 302 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. We found these settings to be a great base for us, though depending on what color sheet you have, your time and temperature settings may vary from 8 to 15 seconds at 290 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your machine hits temperature, place your item on the lower platen and pre-press it for 2 to 3 seconds. Next, center and place your design on your item, cover it with a protective sheet, and press. After 10 seconds, open your machine to peel the puff vinyl carrier's sheet while it's hot. As you can see, your cut design now pops out thanks to the puff vinyl, which has also become a permanent part of your item. If you'd like to share your CraftPro Puff vinyl designs with us, plus a large community of heat transfer enthusiasts, we recommend joining our Heat Press Nation Creators Facebook group at heat.press/FB group. You'll also be able to interact with our group's growing community for useful advice and general fun. But to learn more about CraftPro Puff vinyl and other materials and tools, please visit our website at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, you can always get in touch with a My Expert representative at support.heatpressnation.com. Well, once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks for watching.